Right off the top of this video is all about Leanzene for weight loss, a supplement product, Leanzene. It's April 2026 when I'm making this video, and Leanzene is a bottle of gummies, Leanzene Gummies, that says weight loss support dietary supplement 30 gummies on the bottle. And there's marketing out there, scam marketing, claiming Dr. Jennifer Ashton and other celebrities created or endorsed it or benefited from it, and that's all as scammy as it gets. And when I see something like this, I say this. I have no evidence that Leanzene itself, the product, is a scam, but when the advertising, the promotion, the marketing is as scammy as it gets, and that's basically all that I can find, scammy marketing, come to your own conclusion about everything involving this product. So you can see here they have Melissa McCarthy. I'm gonna hit play on this video. Leanzene Gummies. It looks like this is something, at least the marketing's coming from Brazil, maybe. I see scams like this all the time. My name is Jordan Lyles. I am a senior reporter by day on another website. This is my personal YouTube channel where I help people at night and on weekends stay away from online scams. And the scam marketing for this could not be any scammier. Do not buy this product or anything like it. I've covered thousands of scams just like this. I'm gonna hit play. You're gonna see Dr. Jennifer Ashton and other famous people speaking, but it's deepfake AI depictions, meaning someone has manipulated the lip movement and audio to make it seem like they talked about these things when they never did. So no, the people you're about to see talk about this never did. Don't blame them, blame the scammers, the people maybe in Brazil.
I'm about to call the cops on anyone who keeps teaching the pink gelatin trick the wrong way on TikTok. And if you're doing this gelatin trick the way they're teaching it online, let me tell you right now, it's not going to work.
So let me just say real quick, there's no gelatin trick for weight loss. This is a marketing tactic that scammers, likely in Brazil, came up with in order to promote different medicinal products to scam people out of their money. That's what this is. This is something that someone came up with as a way to scam people, and that's what they do for a living. They scam people with a special recipe. Hey, there's going to be a recipe, and there never is a recipe. By the end of this long video that you see here on my screen, it's going to end up being a bottle of gummies called Leanzene Gummies. And the gelatin trick promise has gone around for lots of different medicinal product names, not just Leanzene Gummies. So if you see this for something else, it's not legitimate. There is no gelatin trick to lose weight. No gelatin recipe, a bariatric gelatin recipe. This is something scammers came up with because they want to try to fool people into believing that it has legitimacy. It does not. They hook you with this promise of a recipe. Instead of telling you it's a bottle of gummies or pills, they hook you with the recipe promise at the beginning. Say, hey, you know, your pantry, you've got the ingredients right now. We're about to reveal them in the next 2 minutes or whatever they say. And they're lying to you. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Leanzene Gummies. And if you see anything about Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about this, they're trying to shut this video down, take it down or whatever. That's all just trying to get at your emotions because no one likes Big Pharma. They're trying to get at your emotions to get you to make a purchase of this product. And by the way, if there are any other YouTube videos out there about Leanzene supplements, Leanzene Gummies, and they try to get you to go and click a link somewhere in a description or a pinned comment to go buy it, those people are fraudsters as well. They're trying to defraud you by lying to you about something they know does not do what the marketing that you see here says. So those people are just as terrible. And there are YouTube videos on very popular music channels and sports and wrestling channels and soccer channels. And those very popular channels are letting, or maybe they're, you know, they let them make the videos, or they improperly accessed those accounts. Whatever's going on there, it's terrible. YouTube is aware of it and they aren't doing a thing about it. And when I say YouTube is aware of it, I mean actual employees, not like third-party support people. And they don't do anything about it. They have been directly told and they did not do anything about it.
What started as a revolutionary weight loss discovery has turned into just another internet fad with over 30 million views on TikTok. This recipe used to be a secret exclusive to my patients in the Agenda program, but after most of them lost over 35 pounds in just 1 month, without dieting, without hitting the gym, and without injecting Ozempic or Mounjaro, the recipe finally leaked. But here's the big problem. They're teaching it all wrong, and so many women are getting frustrated. That's why I decided to speak out in an exclusive segment on the Today Show to reveal everything about the true salty gelatin gelatin recipe that burns up to 9 pounds of belly fat per week. This recipe is so powerful that even celebrities like Melissa McCarthy revealed on the Kelly Clarkson show that she used this salty gelatin recipe to lose just over 80 pounds. Dr. Jean Ashton's savory gelatin recipe was the only thing that actually helped me lose real weight. Before, I couldn't even tie my shoes. Every time I sat down, my huge belly would bulge through my clothes. When I saw Dr. Jen talking about it, I thought it was just another one of those trendy methods designed to take your money. But it actually works. I lost 80 pounds in just 5 months using nothing but the savory gelatin recipe.
She lost weight years ago, before any of this stuff about a gelatin recipe, which again is a marketing term, marketing strategy to fool people, to victimize people into getting their money. She lost weight a long time ago, and it wasn't because of anything modern.
Another celebrity who also revealed she used the true salty gelatin recipe to lose weight is Kelly Osbourne.
Salty gelatin recipe. This is somewhat new. I haven't seen them add salty to this.
Touch me all you want. I didn't want to touch Ozempic or Manjaro. I managed to lose 84 pounds just by eating 1 cube of salty gelatin every single day. Once I reached my goal, I stopped eating it. And I'm keeping the weight off without any effort. No dieting, no gym, and no fasting. I'm way happier with my body and my health now. And that's all that really matters.
So listen closely, because this weight loss recipe can be made right in your own kitchen. And if you do it exactly the way I'm about to show you, you'll have a slim, beautiful, and healthy body long before summer hits. But please do not overdo it. The salty gelatin recipe will make you lose weight quickly and steadily without losing any muscle mass. That's why there's no need to consume more than 1 cube of this salty gelatin. Some of my friends who are also doctors are actually comparing the weight loss power of this salty gelatin to Ozempic and Mounjaro pens. And the reason this simple recipe is so powerful is because it fixes a hormonal glitch that's been forcing your body to store calories as fat. And once that hormonal glitch is fixed, your metabolism speeds up to 4 times faster. And the fat on your belly, your arms, and your legs will vanish for good. Your inches will drop. Your favorite clothes will finally fit again without hugging your belly. And your self-esteem and confidence will skyrocket.
I used to have that upper belly bulge and so much extra fat. It left my stomach.
Those are all AI images of the woman to the right, and it's a deep fake of her talking to the left. So she has nothing to do with this. She's a real person.
Looking huge and sagging at the same time after I had my second kid. In this photo, I'm way overweight. I was always tired. I had zero energy for anything. My self-esteem was at rock bottom, and I was honestly ashamed of my own body. But once I discovered and started using the salty gelatin recipe that Dr. Jean Ashton teaches.
So again, they're talking about a salty gelatin recipe having to do with Dr. Jennifer Ashton. So this is something new. Normally it's just been a gelatin recipe, gelatin trick, or a bariatric gelatin recipe or trick. And they've added now, here in April, salty gelatin, salty, which is interesting.
I lost 40 pounds in just
AI.
Today, I'm starting my weight loss
AI.
with the salty gelatin recipe.
Everything in that video, the one we just saw, and this one with the woman in the kitchen, whoever it is, the kitchen, her, everything is AI. And you can tell if you're someone who looks at AI generated stuff all the time, like I do professionally, that it's too soft, it's too like blurry, the skin is too weird, like it just doesn't look authentic.
And in 3 weeks, I'll be back to show you the results. Girls, it's been 3 weeks today since I started using the salty gelatin recipe, and I've already lost 31 pounds.
So, if you're finally ready to learn the true salty gelatin recipe that can help you lose weight and drop inches without the struggle, pay close attention to this video, because I'm exposing a major big pharma scam designed to get you hooked on synthetic weight loss drugs. I've revealed firsthand a poison disguised as healthy food sitting right on your grocery store shelves that is slowly murdering your metabolism. And
so that's like something that the scammers are dangling out there, like, hey, we're going to reveal to you this big secret thing that you need to know, and they're not going to tell you anything.
Making it impossible
to get you to keep watching.
So you need to stop putting this in your grocery cart every single week. I also give a quick breakdown of the hormonal glitch that's forcing your body to store every calorie you eat as belly fat. And of course, I've shared the complete recipe and step-by-step instructions for the salty gelatin that fixes your hormone levels, supercharges your metabolism, and keeps your body in constant fat-burning mode. Watch carefully, follow every step, and then let me know about your results.
In today's In Your Health program, our guest is the brilliant Dr. Jean Ashton. She is a medical graduate from...
That's a Jean. I can't rewind, but I think that's a Jean Ashton. Also, you got Savannah Guthrie on here. Like, the scammers, I know they're in a different country, but like, haven't they heard anything that's going on?
Columbia University. From the College of Physicians and Surgeons, she is a master in nutrition and double certified in obstetrics and gynecology and obesity medicine. She is also the author of bestseller books such as The Self-Care Solution. For 13 years, she was the chief medical correspondent for ABC News, and her great work in communication and in the fight against obesity led her to 4 Grammy Awards. And today, she dedicates herself to the Agenda Project, which offers science-based nutrition, fitness, and health programs. But recently, her name was at the center of one of the biggest scandals related to weight loss. A weight loss trend that went viral on TikTok and in videos all over the internet known as the gelatin trick. Thousands of women say they have been deceived and shared their frustrations on social media.
I may have done this all wrong, but what I need to say is that it simply didn't work.
Okay, so we don't need to watch anymore. This will eventually go to, it'll have the bottles show up for Leanzene supplements underneath the video. And underneath the video, will have different bottle packages, 1 bottle, 6 bottles, 3 bottles. It'll have money back guarantee, but you can't trust that. It's going through a scam funnel, of course. And you can't trust anything about this at all whatsoever. There's not even a company name at the bottom of the page, which is just hilarious. There's no parent company. And this could come with a subscription charge of hundreds of dollars a month. And they want to hide that, of course, because that's the way that scammers make more money consistently, by signing you up for a subscription, a membership that goes nowhere and does nothing. And they hope that people just are oblivious and don't check their credit card statement, I suppose. So the website that hosts the video, the homepage for that website has a bunch of stuff that I see always. And it mentions this: 19655 East 35th Drive, number 100, Aurora, Colorado, 80011. And I see that all the time. That's some sort of fulfillment center, I suppose. Some place that I assume receives these packages from somewhere else that is a secret place, because you can't know the Leanzene founder's name, the staff, where they located, what's their mailing address, where do they bottle the gummies, where's the research, all that is just like secret because they know what they're doing, whatever. And it says assembled in the USA on the back of the package or the back of the bottle. It doesn't say made in the USA because it's not made in the USA. If it was, they would put that on the bottle. That would be big, of course, right? Call your credit card company and report fraud if you saw one of these deepfake marketing videos with Dr. Jennifer Ashton and other celebrities, because that's fraud. That's not, just it is what it is. And make sure that you can cancel if there's a membership. There's no money back guarantee that's probably going to ever work. Sometimes scammers do say, okay, we're going to give you some of your money back, maybe to keep the heat off of them so they can keep doing their fraudulent activities, whatever. But from what I know about this, it will not help you lose weight. It has no miracle properties. No one famous ever endorsed it. No doctors, hospitals, universities, clinical studies, or anything. It's just something out there online that is trying to convince you with a complex marketing scheme to give up a lot of money, maybe on a monthly subscription basis. That's all that this is. And I hope that my videos helped you. Leanzene Gummies reviews. My review is do not buy this. This is the same sort of thing I see all the time. It's not legitimate. It has no legitimacy in the sense that it's going to do miracle things for your weight and weight loss. Thank you so much for watching.